For motion from supplementary list, item number 11.
Want to make a mention?
Yes, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 9, Lordship. Matter may be urgent for the day, Lordship.
Nine. Yes. Where is Miss Devi?
She is not keeping well, Lordship.
She's in Guwahati or somewhere else?
She is came last week.
Will she able to appear before the court very soon?
Yes, Lord.
When?
Monday.
On Monday.
Wednesday?
Wednesday.
There's an interim order. We don't mind giving an adjournment, but there's an interim order authority. So if you have a serious problem with the council, you can think of having another council. Otherwise, you would not have fixed the matter.
Matter may be fixed
On Wednesday.
Lord.
We'll accommodate you.
Yes, yes.
That's not a difficulty. But at the same time, we cannot ignore the interim order.
Yes.
Prepare the concept for the applicant.
For your lordship's direction, we obtain instructions. Extra 9.
We wanted to know which hotel is name of the father of the petitioner and petitioner figure to tell us.
1990, voter list of 1997, my lord.
Then
The projected fathers of
okay, 1997. Then when?
then since after his death in 1993, his name never appeared in any voter list.
Name of the petitioner. We are not asking the name of
Okay.
President Das.
Even though the name of the petitioner appears in the voter list of later post 1997, his mark or his name was mark. His name is marked as D, my lord.
Of the petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
Since when?
Since 1997. We could see here in the voter list from 2005, 2018. The name in before the name of the petitioner, it is marked
Which
D.
page, Mr. Council?
Page number 3. my lord.
of your compilation.
Yes, my lord.
Page 3. Now, serial number 164.
One,
Oh, sorry, 692.
690,
Nanibala.
693.
69 Arjun.
Arjun
D
Das.
voter.
What about 1997?
এখন 2015 নাকি?
All are there.
Already, my.
In 1997, he was not a D voter.
Yes, my lord.
Then after 1997, in the voter list of
Voter list of
2005.
2005.
2005,
He's a D voter.
he was a D voter.
Yes, my
And
lord.
18. What is page 4?
2018 voter list.
2018, voter list of 2018.
Name?
867. 867. D voter.
867.
D voter.
Now, whether the name of the petitioner figured in the voter list of 2014, 2024,
2004,
2024,
2020.
24.
We have been informed by the concerned officer that till date their name is marked as D.
D.
Yes.
I think 2005 is D, so
Yes,
it will be normally presumed to be D in subsequent voters.
yes, it hasn't been removed.
no, he has not, no. He is not aware. The petitioner is fully aware that he was aware of the fact that he is a D voter. At least we are having a document before us that since 2005, after 1997, whatever the elections is there, but at least we have the voter list from 2005. The petitioner here is a D voter. In spite of that, didn't want to inquire into the matter. And after coming to the court more than 35 years, what do you expect?
My lord, only problem, my lord,
Don't say that you are not aware of that.
judgment, my lord, until and unless judgment is
What
corrected,
happened
my
in
lord.
NRC? What happened with your NRC?
My lord,
What happened in the NRC?
NRC, my lord, I have not taken it.
So-
If your lordship
I don't think
permit
so. The
me, then
petitioner
I
has
can
made
take
something straight
inspection.
away. It is not fair on his part to make such submission. That he is not aware of the order or not aware of the judge. Definitely. Why is it he voter? He will inquire.
My lord, may I submit, my lord? Otherwise, until and unless, my lord, judgment is
Day-
corrected.
Mr. Day, we are not convinced with the submission of the petition. That a person who is declared to be a D voter, a case pending, a case decided in 1988, he may not be aware. And that is why the petitioner hasn't stated what happened in his NRC matter.
My
He
lord,
is keeping silent.
my lord, I may be
Mr.
take some time, my lord,
Vidas.
to take
How-
inspection regarding NRC, my lord.
Petitioner in the NRC. In the draft NRC.
NRC, I mean, we will have to take inspection from the NRC. NRC council is there.
No, NRC council is not there, no longer.
It's take.
Home Department always can open that instruction from the NRC. though it's a different
We
establishment.
can look.
We are not convinced. See, if you have to give you this kind of things after coming to a court after more than 35 years, you have to give it to all.
My lord, here is the,
Mr.
here,
Day, no
my
further
lord,
argument.
my lord,
We are not convinced.
I am submitting, my lord, that
We are not convinced with the submission of the petition.
In the-
We want to know the status of the petitioner in the NRC, Mr. Whether his name figured in the draft roll or not. Tell us,
We'll
Thursday,
we'll find out.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Yes. Twenty-second.
Got it.
Next one, 2024. Enabling Mr. Ranjan Pilkar stand in council home department to apprise the court about the status of the petitioner. In the draft NRC Assam.
on the 20, my lord, 20th,
22.
22, much.
May I please, Your Honor? My lord, in this matter, a record was called for my, and notice is yet to be issued now.
You have the records, I believe.
Sir, I have the records.
We'll take it after some time, Ahmed. Let us complete the other.
Yep.
Yeah, please, Lordship. My lord, here in this petition, my lord, my lord, petitioner was, my lord, declared, my lord, not foreigner, my lord, due to failure of, my lord, linkage, my lord, with her father, my lord. My lord, here, my lord, your lordship kindly see, my lord, the petitioner relied in the voter list of 1966, my lord. Her father's name is Banish Sheikh, my lord. Lord, as per land record, my lord, your lordship kindly turn to page 25, my lord. Particular, my lord, this is land Jamabandi copy, my lord. Page 25. Here, her father's name is, my lord, Banish Sheikh, my lord. And her name is also, my lord, recorded, my lord, subsequently, my lord, Sukhjan, my lord, daughter of Banish. So, by this land document, my lord, she has, my lord, established her linkage, my lord.
Please take your seat for a while.
Yes, how do you explain paragraph, page 15? The written statement, paragraph 4? Maybe we have not understood. Paragraph 4, page 15. Please read
My lord.
page 15. Written statement. There is a written statement,
Yes, my lord.
paragraph 4.
That the second part, he was born and brought up at village Kothura Diandar Mouza Nagarbera, Poko, district Kamrup, Assam, at about 58 years ago. And her father's name is Banish Sheikh, son of Bahar, is about 42 years.
How is it possible?
My lord, this is my lord discrepancy, my lord.
What discrepancy? It's your written statement.
My lord, what happened, my lord? This,
You have not pointed out the discrepancy. You should have been the first to point out
my lord,
that something has happened. This is not an official document, it's your document.
my lord. My lord, this is my lord was drafted by learned council, my lord, before the tribunal, my lord. So there is some
Now,
discrepancy.
have you stated somewhere else in your deposition that this is wrongly written?
I will file, my lord, additional affidavit, my lord, regarding this, my lord. I'll file my additional affidavit, my lord.
Additional affidavit at this stage,
Right.
after the proceeding is over, and after being pointed out by this court.
This is my lord. Age is my lord. Father's Banish Sheikh's my lord. Age, my lord.
He was 42 years. He is 42 years. And you are 58 years. You were born 58 years ago.
Maybe my lord, at that time, my lord, his age was
That time,
You can read Assamese.
Yes, my lord.
Come to page number 46. In her cross, the proceeding has said completely. Read very carefully and slowly.
46, my lord. Subjan Nesai is 55 years. It Adirali Banis.
That is
daughter of
not
Banis.
required. You start
আচ্ছা।
from the cross.
ওপৰত কোৱাৰ দৰে মোৰ নাম ও ঠিকনা সত্য হয়। মই এফিডেভিট ইন চিফৰ লগতে কোনো অৰিজিনেল বা ফটোষ্টেট কপি দাখিল দিয়া নাই। মোৰ দেউতাৰ মৃত্যু হোৱা 30 বছৰ আৰু মোৰ মাৰ মৃত্যু হোৱা 25 বছৰ হৈছে। মোৰ বয়স 30 বছৰ। না, মোৰ
মোৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালী
30 বছৰ আৰু মাৰ মৃত্যু হৈছে। মোৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালী 6 জন। মোৰ ডাঙৰ ল'ৰাৰ বয়স 30 বছৰ। মোৰ এই ল'ৰাৰ জন্মৰ পিছতেই মোৰ দেউতাৰ মৃত্যু হয়। মোৰ মুঠ 4 জন ভাই ভনী আছিল। সকলোতকৈ ডাঙৰ ভাইৰ নাম আব্দুল শেখ, দ্বিতীয়জন লেট শৰ্মালা খাতুন, থাৰ্ডজন সুখজান নেছা মই আৰু ফ'ৰ্থজন লেট হায়দৰ আলী। মোৰ মাৰ নাম শহীদুন নেছা। তেওঁৰ নাম প্ৰথম 1985-ত ভোটাৰ লিষ্টত দেখা যায়। মোৰ দেউতাৰ 3 জন ভাই ককাই আছিল। তেওঁলোকৰ নাম ক্ৰমে লেট বানী শেখ, নাতু শেখ এণ্ড ৰহমান শেখ। মই মোৰ দেউতাৰ ভাই ককাই কাকো দেখা নাই। ভোটাৰ লিষ্ট চাইহে নামবোৰ কৈছো। মই মোৰ দেউতাৰ মাক দেউতাক সম্পৰ্কে একো নাজানো। বাছিৰন নেছা মোৰ ভাই আব্দুল শেখৰ পৰিবাৰ হয়। ভানু শেখ মোৰ দেউতাৰ ভাইকৰ ল'ৰা হয়। ভানু শেখৰ দেউতাকৰ নাম ৰহমান আছিল। বাহাৰ মোৰ ভাই আব্দুল শেখৰ ল'ৰা হয়। বছিৰ আলীক মই চিনি নাপাওঁ। মই 1985-ৰ বাহিৰে শহীদুন নেছাৰ নাম ভোটাৰ লিষ্টত দাখিল দিয়া নাই।
So she specifically mentioned that she doesn't know Basim Ali, right?
My lord.
And accepting the voter list of 1985, where her name is there, she did not submit anything. Now please come to page 53. This is projected brother of the proceeding.
My lord. Yes, my lord.
Yes, please read.
ওপৰত কোৱাৰ দৰে মোৰ নাম ও ঠিকনা সত্য হয়। মোৰ মাৰ নাম শহীদুন নেছা। মই 1970 চনত ভোট দিছো। মোৰ দেউতাৰ মৃত্যু 1970-ৰ পিছত। মোৰ মাৰ মৃত্যু দেউতাৰ মৃত্যুৰ পিছত হৈছে। মই 1970 চনৰ পৰা ভোকাদিয়া গাঁৱৰ ভোটাৰ হয়। মোৰ ভাই ভনীবোৰৰ নাম ক্ৰমে আব্দুল শেখ, মই সুখজান্নেছা অপি আৰু লেট হায়দৰ আলী
উম।
শেখ অপিৰ বিয়াৰ চন তাৰিখ মনত নাই তাইৰ স্বামীৰ নাম পাহৰিছো তেওঁ সোণবাৰী গাঁৱলৈ বিয়া হৈছে মোৰ দেউতাৰ ভাই কেইজনৰ নাম হৈছে নাতু শেখ আৰু কাতু শেখ
So what you have seen here? She said
my lord.
that there are 4 siblings. She said. And who are they? Abdul Sheikh, the first.
My lord.
Second is one Sormala Khatun. And third is the Prosidi Sukhjan Nessa. And fourth is late Haider Ali.
My lord.
Then her father had, there are 3 brothers among father and 2 uncles. They are late Bonif Sheikh, Natu Sheikh, and Rahman Sheikh. This is her statement. Look at the statement of the protected brother. He doesn't know the husband of the proceeding, the name of the husband. He said there are 3 brothers. Who are they? Just see at page 57. Abdul Sheikh he himself. Then the proceeding. And one Haider Ali. According to the proceeding, there are 4.
My lord. One is left, my lord, here, my lord.
Here he has also named, this projected brother also has named the deceased brother of his deceased brother, but need not mention the 4th one. Secondly, who are the brothers of his father? He said his father, then Natu Sheikh and Katu Sheikh. Whereas the proceedings say Natu Sheikh and Rahman Sheikh. Is it believable? As a court officer, you tell us, is it believable? Don't say for the petitioner, as a court officer, we want your statement as a court officer.
My lord, in this regard,
One brother doesn't know the name of her husband.
my lord,
The eldest brother of the family doesn't know how many siblings they have. The eldest brother of the family, her own eldest brother doesn't know who are his uncles.
my lord, what even, my lord?
And above
Here,
that,
my lord, illiterate
above
persons,
that,
my lord.
listen. You can argue that will not help to ask for the empathy. He said, I do not know Basim Ali. Now, who is this Basim Ali? Come to the voter list of 1985 at page number 31. This Basim Ali supposed to be your father, because one Bani Sheikh name figured in the voter list of 1966 and 1970, whom you projected as your father. After 1970, there no voter list, 1985 voter list.
Yes, my lord.
Here is one Basin Ali,
Sinali, my lord.
and the proceedings says,
Father's name is, my lord, Bahar.
doesn't matter, many Bahar may be there.
Lord, name, village name is,
It is the proceeding who said,
my lord.
she doesn't know who is Basin Ali.
This is, my lord, my humble summary that this is, my lord, typographical, my mistake.
What happened in the after 1970 voter list? 75, 77, what happened?
Voter list of, my lord, 89 is there, my lord, in the name of Abdul Sheikh, my lord.
Okay. Just for a moment, ignoring your version in the written statement, evidence, cross-examination. Let us examine the documents
Yeah.
which you had presented. Let us give you all the benefit that you were not conversant, so you could not answer properly. Come to the first document at page 26. The voter list of 1966.
my lord.
TD names,
And Panish Sheikh here is, my lord,
Banish Sheikh, he is your father
my lord.
as per your projection.
Uh,
Age is 42 years, and there is also a Natu Sheikh.
Natu Sheikh.
Who is Natu Sheikh?
Natu Sheikh is the uncle, my lord.
It's female.
Natu Sheikh, my lord. This is, my lord. I think, my lord, there is some,
Your
Just give me
thinking,
my lord,
your
my lord.
thinking will not do. Have you explained?
97.
my lord.
Have you explained that it's a typographical error or something like that? Okay. The first, you have seen this, and then come to page 28. 28, please come to 28.
My lord.
Banish Sheikh, Natu Sheikh, again female, 31 years, 46 years.
My lord.
No problem with your father. Age is also increasing commensurately. Then there is a long gap of from 1970 to 1985. No explanation, no voters list. The 85 voters list at page 30.
It's right.
Yes, first CD name, Basin Ali.
Basin Ali, my lord.
You say that it is a typographical error.
Hmm.
It should be Banis.
Panish, my lord.
Okay. After that, who are there? Sohitan.
Sohitunnesa is, my lord.
Is your mother.
Mother.
What is her age?
Lord, here is shown, my lord, 63, my lord.
63. So where was your mother in the other earlier voters list? For the timing, let us assume that Banis has been written as Basin. Ali has been wrongly incorporated. From where did Sohitan come in? Where is Sohitan all these years? 663 years. Come to the next part. Bhanu Sheikh, female. Who is Bhanu Sheikh? 60 years. Where was Bhanu Sheikh in the earlier list? First, tell us who is Bhanu Sheikh.
Bhanu Sheikh, my lord, here, my lord, two wife, my lord.
Have you stated?
This is not, my lord.
You have not stated. Come to next name. Basimor Nessa, 93, 33 years. Who is Basimor? And who is Abdul Ali Banis, son of Banis, 34 years. Where are their names earlier? And most importantly, you have stated yourself to be 63 years in the affidavit, in the present affidavit. So you were born somewhere in the year 1962.
Hello.
Correct? So 1962, you became eligible to vote when? At least in 1982 or 83?
Hello.
From 83, where is your first voter list? Where is your name?
But in the year 1993, my lord, her name is recorded, my lord.
Hmm?
93, my lord.
93, that's also an uncertified copy. From 1982 to 1993, where are you?
That was not, my lord, recorded, my lord. First
No,
time
where are
recorded in
you?
1993.
Where in India or in Bangladesh or in America? Where? You cannot be in the thin air. You have to be here. Suddenly you bring in a concept of a 93 voter list, uncertified copy, your name is there, and there is no link. Is this a case for even a notice?
My lord, I will obtain, my lord, detailed instruction, my lord, regarding
What
this.
detailed instruction? What detailed
Yeah,
instructions? You have projected your case, you have presented your case. Where is the scope of detailed
Some more
instructions?
instruction is required, my lord, in this case, my lord.
Instructions you will have after the dismissal of this case.
Kindly, my lord, allow some time, my lord.
Absolutely not.
Record, my lord.
Absolutely not. In this type of document. You don't play with the law like this, bringing in documents from some place and some place. All names are changed, no explanation, new names.
My lord, in the written statement, my lord, there is some, my lord. It was
We
on the
have said
part
that
of my
we
lord
have not
learned
even,
counsel
we have
before
not
the
even
tribunal, my lord.
considered we are not even looking into the written statement. Let us assume something is wrong has kept in, error has kept in, cross-examination, forget it. The documents before us. The first document which you are trying to project with your name, 93, it's an uncertified copy. And look at the vernacular, your name at the end. It's not even legible.
Sometimes it becomes very difficult to immediately obtain the
Those
certificate
sometimes
copy, my
cases
lord.
also has to be dealt in a
That may be
sometime
the
manner.
problem, my lord.
We'll deal with it.
Lordship kindly allow some time to obtain detailed instruction, my lord. Minimum
We're
time is
dismissing this. Anything, madam?
We can just add one citation about the extract voters list, Lordship.
Which one?
And it being an uncertified copy and just a moment, Lordship. And WPC 6280,
WPC,
6280 of 2016. Tutu Mia, Elias Mohammed Chota Mia. Decided on 14/5/2018.
What has been stated?
4th of April.
14,
14th, 14th,
14/5.
14/5 or 14th February.
14/5/2018. Extract of voters list is not
Paragraph?
admissible. Paragraph 17, Lordship. It is extract of voters list is not admissible in evidence because it is not a certified copy. Paragraph 22. Itu assume. And discrepancies, Lordship, the document has to be read as a whole. That can also be taken into context. Paragraph 27.1, Borhan Ali. Lordship, one more, I would like to rely on that the voters list has to be read in its entirety. That is WPC 7669 of 2016.
Please repeat it and WPC number.
7669 of 2016. Borhan Ali, BORHAN.
Decided on.
Decided on Lordship 1. It is paragraph 27.1. I'll just tell Lordship when it was decided. 8/6/2018.
It should be read as a whole.
Yes, no, yes, voters list has to be, if it is relied, it has to be relied completely, not in parts, Lordship. And he has not been able to show his continuous stay because of the voters list. That can also be taken into consideration. That is 2019 5 GLR 768 Monoduty Nandi versus Union of India. Para 6, 7, and 8, Lordship.
This is not argued, not required, it will.
But his voters list is missing, Lordship. After 70, it is direct 1985. That's all,
Mr.
Lordship.
J. Eastern Council for the petition. H. Kuli. You know, what the rest of the- If I'm- Four, seven. Peter. Petition, estimate. Yes. Okay.
Maybe little Lordship. Lordship, my senior is appear to another court. Kindly call for time.
Ama-
Yes, why are you seeking time?
My senior is appear for another court.
What is your prayer? Your senior is in another court. Fine. Then what else? You are good. What is your prayer?
I don't know.
You don't know your prayer. Are you in a position to argue or not?
No.
Huh?
No, right.
No. Why?
Senior.
For a young lawyers, this is the right time to place the matters before the court and to earn confidence. The prayer becomes clear.
No,
Standing board.
Item 5. F. Fox, M.U. Ahmed.
No representation on behalf. Petitioner on behalf of all. Your name. Let's go. That's it.
May I please proceed? This writ petition against the ex parte order, my lord. The impugn order is page 22.
Ex parte order. This is 70.
Yes.
The order is in the
Order we
year.
have seen.
Lordship,
We have seen the order.
Lordship. Lordship, he has appeared after receipt of the notice from the tribunal. Actually, what happened in this case, my lord, since long back 1998, he was served with a notice from the IMDT tribunal, my lord. There is a case was dropped as the act was struck down. Thereafter, the notice again issued to him in the year 2006, my lord. He appeared, and on the first date, he took time for filing WS, and thereafter next date, he appeared, court was absent, and thereafter 5 days consequent dates, his absent remain absent. But the engaged counsel did not inform him about the subsequent dates, and thereafter no communication between the petitioner and the advocates. And after 8 years of the judgment in the year 2016, in the month of December, when the police personnel visited the house of the petitioner, he came to know that he is already declared as pregnant. And immediately thereafter, he filed the petition matter. This is the case matter. In fact, others matter, he has a sufficient document to produce, prove his nationality. And on the other hand, no one of his family has served with a notice from any of the tribunal suspecting him as anyone as a foreigner, my lord. Even he has also a landed property, and his grandfather has a landed property. After death of the grandfather, land is mutated in the 3 sons, and thereafter, after his father's death, the land was mutated in his name, my lord. An order of impugn order, there's no details in the order that on what dates he absent. In earlier occasions, before the
Yes, 23 orders.
But your 2017.
record.
Order is पूरा क्यों ना है? एक order है ना? नहीं no notice to पूरा order. Order from जने के पुत्र क्लास order to us. Come to nine. Madam, you see your conduct. You are blaming the council in the before the tribunal.
No,
What is your action against the council?
no, sir.
Did you take any? Did you lodge any complaint against the council?
No, not yet. No.
You are lucky that your action has not been taken against you. You as a council here. See the order sheet. Notice was issued on when? 23/6/2017. Thereafter adjourned on 28/5/19, 28/11/19, 3/1/2024, and on 29/11/2023 you were unrepresented.
High Court. जाति की मान्यता
Lordship,
First tell us what action have you taken against the council in the tribunal? Any complaint lodged?
no. So far, my information goes, madam.
You can't blame the council. If you're blaming a council,
Sir,
show us, substantiate it.
As per instruction of my client, my lord, I have pleading this, my lord.
You have to show us. Only saying that council has not informed, that will not do.
You are fully aware of the fact that you are supposed to file your written statement. And it is you who took time to file written statement. The question of informing you by your counsel that your presence is required, which you have mentioned in your writ petition, meaningless.
I'm not denying that, my lord.
Then
because
when you are fully aware, why did not you file your written statement? Why did not you file your written statement? Whether the dates were fixed or nothing, but one day or the other day you were supposed to file your written statement.
Madam, you see, we balance everything. We come across cases where notices were not served. In fact, not served. And those matters are matters of remand which you are doing. This you have appeared, you have taken time, thereafter you have neglected. Law is very well settled.
And see, when you have filed your writ petition, the order was.
order
was-
on 17, my lord, in the year 2017, and he was taken into detention came in the December 2016.
The reason only when I took in custody, then only you approach this, what you have been doing all these years from 2006.
Lordship,
Ever bordered? Now
Lordship,
why have you approached, when you don't border about the tribunal, when your nationality is in at stake? Why have you approached this? Why?
Lordship can kindly come to annexure 4, page 24. Because that is the order sheet, but in the translated copy, only one date has been mentioned. The vernacular has many dates and it has been fixed for SRWS Lordship.
That's you know.
Annexure 4 Lordship, page,
Page 12.
on the right side, if Lordship will see after 21/7/2006, on 9/3/2007, it was fixed for WS. It is for 24. It is तुम्हारे डॉक्यूमेंट WH তোমার পেজের উপরে আমি পাইছি এটা পেজে মু এটা পেজে পাইছো
Yes, what is your affidavit, Madam Bora?
Lordship,
Page 12.
Lordship,
Please read. I what?
I Sri Bipul Sharma,
Son of.
son of Ranjit
So
Sharma.
and so, so and so. That number 1 paragraph.
I am the sister-in-law of the petitioner,
Vipul Sharma is the sister-in-law.
Lordship.
Vipul Sharma is the sister-in-law of the petitioner.
Lordship, as per
He's a male.
Lordship,
Or you will not do, madam.
Lordship.
This is an affidavit.
The typography error in my part.
Typographical error. What will you remove from here? In-law, you'll remove in-law from here. You'll become sister. What is this typographical error? And what sister-in-law? How are you connected? What is your connection with Ranjit Sharma?
Maybe my brother-in-law, maybe.
Oh, who is Ranjit Sharma? You must be knowing Ranjit Sharma.
I have to take instruction.
No, no. After 17, in 2024, you are taking instructions on the affidavit. No, I am the I'm the এটা আবার দেখতে হবে sector না ಏನು ಇದು disclosure to ಇಟ್ಟು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ select ಮಾಡಬೇಕು disclosure হেৰিখন ক'ত সময় পেজ নম্বৰ এইবিলাক কি আছে? হা? 23 9 এইটোৰ চাৰ্টিফিকেট কপি হেৰি ক'ত ট্ৰান্সলেট কপি ক'ত আকৌ নাই নাই এইটো 11 days 13 9 কপি আজি কৈ তাৰপিছত 30 দশক কি কৰিছে 26 দহ তাৰিখ 30 দহত কি কৰিছে 30 দহ হা 39 পিছত 39 এইটো 30 তাৰিখৰ 30 তাৰিখে কৰিলে কপি 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 কি আছে এই ছেকেণ্ডৰ 2006 তাৰিখে হয় কাঠত দিছে জাজমেণ্ট এবছৰ ৰখি আছে এই কাটি মাছ কি বৰা for the petition Miss Verma 2 3 5 P Sharma 4 order is up
Lordship, only one judgment I would like to place, Lordship. The other day which was decided, it has all the judgments of the next party proceeding, Lordship. WPC 82 of 2024,
82
82 of 20
button
button. And one more can
you are
be
using
added-
button
Yes.
nowadays
Lordship, one more can be added blaming the council, Lordship. That is 2016 4 GLR 182.
2016 4
GLR
182
182, paragraphs 5, 7, and 8.
name
Code Vanu, KO,
code one yes
Code Vanu versus Union of India, Lordship. Public.
না আমার
Ms. Verma, she was declared to be a foreigner between the stream of 1966-70.
71 and allowed for directed for registration lottery.
Whether she had registered herself, Nick, where from will you know? But the SB boarded, would you be able to tell us?
Yeah, we can find out lordship.
Matter was listed on 12. Accordingly, we fix it for today. But somehow. 74 petitioner.
Lordship will give me some time. I can just call up and ask lordship.
Today itself or
No. I'll take a call.
inquire?
I
It is there at page 13, 14, 15. So find
Yes.
out.
But this petition has been filed seeking time for registration lordship.
No,
You have to
challenging
be-
disorder.
The husband abandoned her. No. Let me just find out that. Hmm?
What we have seen in most of the cases,
Hmm.
after, since their names are not figured in the NRC, they used to approach the court. And during pendency of the petition, they used to register themselves. So find out if it is registered, well and good, not registered, we'll see.
I'll just find.
Still, they are seeking for registration.
Time was over, something, what, prayer was for
Prayer.
seeking registration?
Yes.
Yes, yes, Dr. What, page 7, you also will find. Time was over, so they are asking for modification,
And that
so that they
also
can register them.
2012. Huh? It will matter.
2012.
12 will matter.
Okay, 2 months time were granted
Yes, sir.
They need some more
by the
time.
order of 2011.
10 years to 50 years.
They must have been refused, Lordship, so they must have come.
Order is of 11. The tribunal order is of 11. And maybe the
No, the
approach
court
is
issued notice waiver on
17.
19th of
17th.
January 2018.
Yes. They approached this court very late, Lordship.
No, there was reason and she was suffering from mental health.
Alzheimer's
issues
and all
and
that. Yes.
Anyway, notice was issued in January 2018. But the council.
17, there is an order that they'll file additional affidavit regarding delay. Hmm.
See, the conduct has also not been too good.
Good Lord.
There has been even the bar association has had to address this court
Yes,
on an
Lordship.
issue of misrepresentation. which the court somehow condoned as an exceptional case. Wrong statements were given.
Yes.
And thereafter the conduct is not good. Last occasion time was not for. This is the 7th year,
7th year lordship.
2017 registered
And
case.
this order will be more than 10 years.
7th year, maybe for interest of justice, we will fix another day on Tuesday. But if there is no representation, we'll pass consequential orders. We'll not even enter into the marriage. No point like this. I think to the pendency, if the parties are not
Not
interested, why should we?
interested.
And we'll not enter into marriage in absence of the parties. We'll go by the law.
Should I get the instructions whether they registered? They must not have registered, no? Yeah, your order found 2011 or order 17. At least.
None appears for the petitioner on call, although names of 4 members of council is reflected in the cause list. Also, the state is, the Home Department is represented by Madam you or Mr. Purhu? This matter was listed today via an order dated 12/2/2024 on the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner. The writ petition was registered in the year 2017 and the orders dated 11/12/2017 and 19/1/2018 would show that the conduct of the petitioner has not been very fair. Full stop. Para. Be that as it may, comma, and in the interest of justice, the matter, I'll let another opportunity be granted and the matter be listed on Tuesday. Give the date. Full stop. We make it clear that in case of further default, comma, consequential orders would follow.
Please, Lord. In this case, my lord, the application is for extension of time to appear before the learned tribunal. My lord, certified copy was not provided in time, lordship. After obtaining the certified copy, I approached the authority, learned tribunal, my lord, but the application was not received because of delay, lordship. Explained, my lord, that thing, lordship, but it is not received. So time may be extended, lordship. Unless the time is extended, it cannot be done.
You got the certified copy in July 23.
Yes, your lordship, it was, application was submitted on 27/10/2022.
22. You
My
got
lord,
in
it
July
was on
23.
24/7, my lord,
23.
in lordship. After communication, my lord, copy was received, lordship.
Yeah, apply for it. Apply to her. Please, July 10. If I can see it, please, first time. I received for the first time.
No, earlier also, my lord, not,
I,
my lord, I did not reach lordship.
but we are considering for the first time.
Yes, lordship.
my lord, today. the 15th. Pardon me, comment for the. It's fully. For a. Verma. 3, 6, 3, 5, 6. P. Sharma, 7. The applicant is the petitioner. Being aggrieved with the opinion of the final order of the judgment dated 21/12/2018, passed by landed member Foreigners Tribunal number 1 Bongaigaon in DNGN FT case number 96/09, preferred the connected writ petition WPC number 797/2020. The court, after hearing the counsels for the parties, by order dated 16/09/2022, remanded the same FT case number such and such to the Foreigners Tribunal number 1 Bongaigaon for reconsideration of the matter, setting aside the state opinion final order dated 21/12/2018, directing the petitioner of said writ petition to appear before the said tribunal within a period of 6 weeks, along with the certified copy of the same. But the petitioner could collect the certified copy of order dated 16/9/2022 only on then the certified copy, but the certified copy of the said order was made available to him only on 24/07/2023. Available to her. Available to her only on 24/07/2023. And in the meanwhile, the period of 6 weeks from the order dated 16/9/2022 had already expired. Hence, this application by the state petition for extending time for her appearance in said FT case number BNGN.FT case number 936/2009 before the Foreigners Tribunal number 1 as directed earlier in the order dated 16/9/2022. After hearing the counsel for the verdict and considering the entire the petitioner, the applicant / writ petitioner of WPC number 797 of this port of 16 now directed to appear before the Foreigners Tribunal in FT case number BNGN FT case number 936 of in terms of their order dated 16/9/20, first in WPC number 797, along with the certificate honor before zero 6/03/2022
paper of the. It's. It's order, so let it be better. Order is, okay, sorry, 1509.
Like,
May I please have your lordship? Lordship, this is an IA for modification of the order dated uh, 11/8/2023. In this IA, your lordship, on the earlier occasion, after passing the order in the main writ petition, your lordship, we could not appear before the SP border on time, your lordship. Thereafter, we have filed this IA. After getting the certified copy, your lordship, we have appear before the SP border, but the SP border pointed out that on in the order dated 11/8/2023, your lordship, the FT number, foreigner's case number was not mentioned in that modified order, your lordship. So we have to file this IA again, your lordship. This is the second time. Lordship, may kindly peruse para 4 of the IA, present IA.
Paragraph 4, madam.
Yes, Lordship.
See, he had already approached this court once
Yes.
in an IA. IA is not required to again specifically state the FT case.
Because
I had
first
referred to
order,
the
yes, the
re-
reference
repetition
is
number.
already there, Lord.
Number, date, everything.
Everything,
Then
Lordship.
if the averment in paragraph 4 are correct, then we may have to take it very seriously.
Lordship, and my friend is
No,
mentioning that the
therefore you are required to seek instruction. If the projection made by the petitioner is incorrect, then you are inviting cost.
Lordship, this is the instruction.
You are inviting heavy cost. These are
In fact, we have appeared on
dilatory tactics. We know what to do, what not to do.
Lordship. We have
I don't
appeared
think
on
any reasonable SP would say that
No,
FT case is not.
Exactly, Lordship, this is what I was discussing. They will never
WPC
say
number
that.
is there. It is in continuation of the earlier order.
Yes,
yes,
yes.
Why would a reasonable person say that no FT case is not mentioned? So I'll not. Where is it? He has not
Yeah,
passed
because,
any order.
No,
You take
I-
seek instructions.
I can take it right now,
We can
Lordship.
take it.
Take instructions.
Give instruction whether they appeared before.
She appeared or not.
If it was appeared, then the SP voter did not consider. It's a different case. An application has to be.
No, did you?
You have not stated which date you have appeared,
Something?
Mr. Chakma.
Yes, your lordship.
Which date you had appeared? You have not stated.
On 24/8/2023, your lordship.
20?
24/8/2023.
Where have you stated?
We have not stated in our IA.
That hasn't been stated.
That is not stated because that is required to be verified by an affidavit.
Yes.
Yes, your
That is why you have not stated.
Whether any application has been filed.
And there's a covering letter which goes with the order.
Something has to
If
go
he
with-
has placed that also, we would have looked into it. Just coming to court saying that the SP has not taken that into consideration does not hold good ground, Lordship. Because they are very quick when these orders come, Lordship.
There has to be some application all over.
And if the order in the first IA was a vague order with no reference to the earlier writ petition, we would have understood. You read the order in the past in the IA
Absolutely clear, Lordship.
at page 18. Please read the last page, page 18.
Yes, your lordship. The application,
No, last
applicant,
page, by the order, page 18.
Dated
yes,
26.
your lordship. By the order dated 26/5/2023 in writ petition, civil number 2948/2023, the writ petitioner Noor Jahan was required to appear before the superintendent of police border, Borpeta within 15 days. From the date of the aforesaid order,
26.
26/5/2023 for the reason stated in the interlocutory application that the applicant could not appear before the concerned SP border within the stipulated period of time and therefore has instituted this interlocutory application for extension of time. Reason given in the interlocutory application are accepted.
Yes,
The 15 days time granted to the
now it
applicant.
has been extended.
Yes,
Yes.
Now there is a reference to the writ petition,
yes,
a reference to the order passed by which the writ petition was disposed of.
yes, sir.
26.
Okay, is your explanation a plausible explanation that FT case was not written? Then every details need to be given in all orders. FT case instituted where, which place, which date, what time.
They expected from the court, but he hasn't stated when and when they approached the SP. There's nothing to show on record that, Lordship.
And last line, see, the last line is very important.
The
Yes,
applicant.
sir.
Applicant is allowed with the aforesaid correction and all other terms of the order dated 26 so and so
26.
shall remain as it was provided earlier. So
Yes, sir.
this order cannot be read in isolation.
That
It
did
has to
not.
be read with 26/5/2023, which is the order by which the writ petition was disposed of.
Yes, sir.
No.
Just we hope that your averment is correct.
That is the instruction you have received from.
On which date you said you appeared before the
Your lordship,
Before the
as per instruction on 24/8/2020.
20?
4/8.
24/8.
That was also after 15 days.
24/8/2023.
Yes, your lordship.
Even to my 11/18.
And you filed this when? In
we-
December,
Hmm.
9, 10, 11, 12, after 4 months.
4 months.
Yes, Lordship. That's what-
Lordship,
That is the seriousness, Lordship.
Let them file an additional affidavit, Lordship, saying that when
To
they
get the
have.
information.
First, let the information come.
Hmm.
Mr. Chakma, be ready for
This
facing
only
all
on-
consequences. We are only asking you to be ready.
To me, I'll get the instruction. Lordship, I'll just get the instruction.
regarding the delay, I have stated in para 5 here.
That you will see later. Take your seat. Mr. Chakma.
Deeply obliged, your lordship.
We'll take it after some time. We can take one matter. Mr. Kulde.
Yes,
Deeply obliged. Right, please, your lordship.
Your lordship, this petitioner has been declared as in foreigner lordship. The impugned order lordship will find on page 90 lordship. Reasons for decision, that is on page 93 lordship.
Where is your written state?
Written statement lordship initially filed, that lordship will find on page 30 lordship. Additional on 30 lordship, the written statement on page 19 lordship. Page 19 is the written statement lordship. Subsequently, lordship, initially case was tried by the lordship FT1 Dhubri lordship. Subsequently, at that time lordship, after receipt of the notice lordship, this petitioner appear and file the written statement lordship. Thereafter, the case was transferred to the FT Foreigners Tribunal number 5 lordship, Dhubri lordship. Then after receipt also lordship the notice, he filed additional written statement, that is on page 30 lordship.
Mr. Chaudhary,
Yes,
come to your cause title.
yes, lordship. Yes, lordship.
What is the distinct? What do you have to write in a cause title? How many pages your cause title has gone into?
Lordship, all the documents, lordship.
How many pages cause title has gone into? Cause title, these are not pleadings.
Yes, lordship.
You are not a new member in the bar. This is how you present a petition.
I beg your apology.
No, it's not a question of apology.
Sir,
What do you write? What do you require to write in a cause title? Tell us. You have just cut his job. What is this? You cut the pleadings and you put the grandfather of the petitioner had landed property. Is this a cause title? The name of the grandfather and grandmother of the student appeared in cause.
Legacy lordship, that's why lordship, I mean, it's there. Lordship, legacy lordship, we have to prove from the grandfather lordship. That is not in.
It's in the cause title.
Yes, lordship.
Why do you have to give in a cause title? You
You
understood what you? In pleadings, whatever you want to write, make it elaborate. We don't have anything to say. Cause title now, how many pages? 8 pages.
8 pages.
You are supposed to write with what matter, what order you are aggrieved with. What is the provision of law you are invoking? That is all.
Yes.
You're not supposed to write facts in cause title. I was born in so and so. Father was born in so and so. Those are part of the pleadings. You write in pleadings. Your affidavit, there are insertions by hands without any initials. The affidavit page, the typing is different. Fonts are different. He has signed as Mobot Ali. See, what have you written? Mohed Ali. Then you insert
Some
your...
document lordship, it said Mohed Ali, somewhere lordship.
Mr. Chaudhary, are we denying this? If you insert, where is your initials? The name by which you are signing, full signature, that is not your first name even. First name has
uh,
been typed name is Mohed Ali. You have written as Mobot Ali.
Lordship, Mohammad Ali in page 37, the written statement,
No,
Lordship
not-
file.
Then you're changing your own name at your own convenience.
Lordship, in
In written
37
statement,
before
you
the
become
tribunal,
Mohammed, here
also,
you
Lordship.
become Mohed.
Before tribunal also, Lordship, please kindly peruse page 37, Lordship.
Then why have you
But
put
Lordship,
your signature as Mohed? Mobot?
Mohammad, his actual name is Mohammad Ali, Lordship.
Then
In
in written
reference to his,
statement, in your written statement, you have written your own name.
yes, Lordship, affidavit, Lordship,
At least you will have to write your own name properly. Others may write it erroneously.
in
There will be-
written statement, Lordship, in written statement, page 19, Lordship.
Yes. Page
Yeah, Lordship,
37.
paragraph 2, Lordship, the opposite party, Mohammad Ali, Lordship. And signature, Lordship, will find on page 20, Lordship. And Mohammad Ali, Lordship.
And in your affidavit, your own affidavit, at page,
18.
18, Lordship.
not this affidavit, even the affidavit before the tribunal.
Affidavit before tribunal, Lordship.
Come to page 37. Yourself, you declared to be Mohammed
Lordship, Mohammad Ali, Lordship, on page 37, Lordship.
That is how you declared your name. I, Mohed Ali.
Alias Mohammad Ali.
If you sign as Mobot Ali,
Yes,
first it should be Mobot Ali first.
Yes.
You yourself, you state that you are Mohed Ali. You sign as Mobot Ali.
Mohammad Ali. His name is Mohammad Ali, Lordship.
Then why have you written I Mohed Ali?
But the reference was made, Lordship, Mohammad Ali, Lordship.
So somebody will call you by other name, you will start to call you by that name.
That's why, Lordship,
If I call you from Chaudhary to Mr. Pathak, you will become Mr. Pathak.
that's not the Lordship, but the thing is, reference was made against Mohammad Ali, Lordship. Mohammad Ali, Lordship.
So you have said I Mohed Ali.
Now, Lordship.
That's not an explanation, Mr. Chaudhary.
Now, Lordship, the notice, there also, Lordship, Mohammad Ali, Mohammad Ali, Lordship.
Mr. Chaudhary, why aren't you understanding? Notice whatever
Otherwise, Lordship-
documents
Yes.
are issued by others, they will
Yes.
put whatever name they want. Will you say that that is my name?
That, Lordship, but the Lordship notice has been given that Mohammad Ali's name,
You
Lordship.
could have said,
Problem is
notice
that-
is not in my name, it's a wrong name. You will assume that is your name.
But the
And in
father's
the
name,
declaration, you say that I am Mohed Ali.
Lordship, we have to, Lordship, respond the Lordship notice, Lordship, saying, Lordship, that's why, Lordship, in every David, Lordship, we say, we are Mohammad Ali, Lordship. That's why, Lordship, we sign Mohammad Ali instead of Mohammad
Then
Ali.
why did you write I Mohed Ali? Why?
Alias is given, Lordship.
Alias, we are not on alias.
Alias, Lordship.
We are on why do you write I Mohed Ali? You are assuming you are owning that name. And in the High Court's affidavit, you have inserted by name, by hand, no initials. Page.
Mr. Chaudhary, take it.
কোন ইয়ারের প্রথম কোড লিখা totally translation ছিল কোন আছে Mr. Chaudhary,
Yes.
this page 26 is of which year? We are not in the aspect of certified copy, uncertified copy. Which year, Mr. Kolika?
Page 26. Lordship, bottom Lordship will find that 1997,
Where?
bottom Lordship in vernacular Lordship, page 26 Lordship. 1997, 1st January, Mote.
Okay. It's not in the translated version.
No, that is not Lordship.
No, even here.
Translated in page 25 Lordship, relevant portion Lordship given Lordship, age of the voter as on 1/1/1997.
This is not a certified copy. Certified copy, no?
Certificate copy.
90. That doesn't mean that.
Otherwise, also it's not a certified copy, Lordship. It's just a
Now,
Xerox copy.
Lordship,
Why did you take a certified copy of this? This is the only voters list containing your name.
Lordship, certified copy, Lordship. Yes, Lordship, this is a certificate copy. It's a
Hmm? No, not before here. Why didn't you give it before?
that time, Lordship, Lordship, we have exhibited Lordship,
Exhibit.
exhibited before the court, Lordship, this certificate, that was a handwriting, Lordship, this is a certificate copy, Lordship. Only the name of this petitioner is there, Lordship, along with his father, Lordship. In 1997, he was declared as a devoter, Lordship. After 1997, Lordship.
Page 59, he has given one.
ग्राम पंचायत
Equal 71 to 50. It will not be. Okay. It will not be again, no? One second, two different. One second, only two different. You could be very good. Yeah. Yes, we can. Okay. No, no, I think that's- I think 60.
60.
Is the affidavit of your projected father at page 81?
Yes, Lordship.
It's a one-page document or what?
Page 81, Lordship, the evidence, affidavit in evidence, Lordship, which is starting from 81 to 85, Lordship, in chief, Lordship, and that page 80, Lordship, is the cross portion, type
No,
portion.
wait. It starts at 81.
81, but type portion,
Understood. Last paragraph in page 81 is what number? What is the last paragraph number?
last paragraph number 6, Lordship.
Thereafter, where is 7?
So this is the certificate property.
No, where is 7? You just cannot every time take out some papers from your sleeve and place it before the court. Where is this page?
Paragraph 7,
Where
Lordship.
is this page in the filing?
That was, Lordship, I may have given some time, Lordship, I will correct that.
What is this? Every time we have to confront you, voter list, you have certified copy. Now
That,
you're placing before the court.
yes, Lordship, that is there, Lordship.
No, where is it? Where is it? Why wasn't it filed?
Lordship, the voter list, earlier one on page, Lordship. Page,
That is not a certified copy.
yes, Lordship, that was not, Lordship, certified copy, Lordship, I have annexed in the record, Lordship. That is there, Lordship,
Where?
page, I'm giving the page number, Lordship.
Which page?
Page 59, Lordship.
59.
Yes, Lordship. Right? Unnecessary.
This is of which year?
1997.
This page, why is it missing? This one? Court pattern. Mr. Chaudhary, before you present some paper, you check before you present. What was the page we were asking you to clarify? Which page? Which page?
Pardon, Lordship.
Which page we wanted you to clarify? Who's affidavit?
Lordship, the voter list, Lordship, I have annexed 1997.
We were asking you about page 81.
81, Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship.
And what you have presented before this
Lordship,
court?
the next page is, Lordship, 82. That was, Lordship, paragraph number 81, last paragraph is 6, point number 6, Lordship. We are starting from 7, Lordship.
Whose affidavit is this?
Pardon.
Only because the paragraphs are similar in nature. Whose affidavit is this?
Lordship, it is a continuing part of that,
Whose
Lordship.
affidavit?
Is Mohed Ali, Mohabbat Ali.
And page 81?
And that,
Page 81 is whose affidavit? 81 of your writ petition.
Here also lordship, the certified copy they have provided us lordship without complete. The certified copy lordship will say certificate incomplete certified copy.
Are we to look into those aspects?
This is the certified copy lordship they have provided us lordship.
This is your document.
Yes, lordship. I will lordship, but the certified
What
copy.
should we look into? Those certified copies.
Lordship, record is here, lordship. Can we peruse that record?
Yeah, Chaudhary, we asked you a very simple question.
Yes, lord.
We showed you the affidavit of one Monser Ali.
Yes, lordship.
That from page 6,
Yes,
paragraph 6, there is no paragraph. You presented something else. You said this is the continuation. That is the affidavit of Mohammed Ali.
so that was lordship, only that part lordship.
So why did you place that other page?
Lordship, I might given some time, lordship. I'll correct this mistake, lordship. On the next day, lord.
First blast, we accepted what you had said. Only when we saw the signature, it's of a different person.
But lordship, the certified copy they have given, lordship. That's the.
Oh my God, certified copy you have collected. What you have collected? What are we look into those matters? We do not know what you have presented before the court.
Lordship, some time will be given, lordship.
एक क्रॉस पार्ट तो हाथे लिखा जाए तो टाइप कोड बना लगे वो क्यों नहीं दिया हमारे को पंजीयन से एक्सेप्ट कोई ये टाइप कोड बना लगे Yes, why haven't you given type copy of the cross part?
Cross part lordship, which one? PW2 or PW?
Page 82.
Page 82 lordship is given on page 80 lordship.
80.
80.
Cross part.
Monser Ali, yes lordship.
My name is Sutravanyan. I was born and brought up in a village. Aluk Mare. My father is a Mahara. And my mother is No, what the 77 it's a papa 2038. Was Sobed one of the did he
Brother.
adduce evidence?
Yes, no, Sabit has not given anything. Only father has reduced everything.
Okay, just a little bit of, not little bit, major discrepancy which you have noticed. On the face of the documents, we are not even going to anything else. Turn to page 21.
Yes, Lordship.
Voter list of which year?
His voter list of 1977, Lordship.
Where?
Page 21, Lordship. Certificate copy on page 22, Lordship.
Voter list of 1977.
77.
Okay. It contains the name of Mansur Ali and Kamala Khatun.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, Mansur Ali is your father
Yes, Lordship.
and Kamala Khatun is your mother.
Yes, Lordship.
25 and 22, age.
Yes, Lordship.
What is the address?
Chhot Kolia Part 2.
South Korea, part 2. Okay.
Yes.
84, come to page 23.
Yes, Lordship.
1984 voter list.
Yes, Lordship.
Mansur Kamala, father, mother,
Yes, Lordship.
age 35, 31.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Commensurate increase, no problem. What is the address?
Now, Lordship, we have
Address.
address, Lordship. On page 24, kindly peruse, Lordship.
Address, give the address.
It is a certificate copy, Lordship. Thana Dokhin Salmara, Gaon number and name 159 Chhot Kolia Part 2.
Same. So, Chhotkalia, same.
Same.
There's no problem. Where's
Yes.
the talking? Then you have annexed the 1997 voters list where there is also a certified copy. Okay. If you have annexed later on.
Yes.
97, first time in the certified copy, only the name of the petitioner is there.
Yes, Lordship.
No other siblings.
Yes.
He has been shown Mobir Ali, son of Mansur.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, now in 2018,
Yes, Lordship.
at page 62.
Yes, Lordship.
This is a voters list of the year 2018, correct?
1961, Lordship, it is 2010 voter list.
No, page 61,
61 Lordship, it is 2010 Lordship.
2010 voter list.
Yes, sir.
What is the address?
Address Lordship, 67 Alamganj, Gaune Lordship. Now shifting after Lordship, shifting erosion is there in 1995 Lordship. Thereafter they shifted from Chotakalia to Alamganj Lordship.
Let us see the pleadings. Okay. Okay, but we have to explain that. In the same page 62, it's a voter list of which year is that? 2010.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, come to Monser Ali at page 62.
Yes, Lordship.
What is his age?
46,
And mother's age?
38 Lordship.
Monser Ali was 25 years old in 1977.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, raised discrepancy is there, Lordship.
How much? 1 year, 2 years, 3 years?
Lordship,
How many years?
No, Lordship, this is the.
How many years? We understand 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 13 years.
But the other document, Lordship, in the same Lordship.
You have opted, it's your volition. You have chosen to enact this document.
17 years.
If he is
Now,
25 in
Lordship.
1977,
Now,
in
Lordship, kindly come.
2010, it will increase by how many years? 33 years.
Now, Lordship, kindly come, Lordship, on page 63, Lordship. It is a voter list of 2017, Lordship. If we add 7 years with 46 46, that is in 2010, it will be 53, Lordship. But here shown, Lordship, 52, Lordship.
1 year is not a problem. We have said 1 year, 2
Some
years, 3
document,
years.
Lordship,
No problem.
only.
Now, if we were 25 years old in 1977,
Yes, sir.
how can you be 46 in the year 2010?
Lordship, these were prepared by the Lordship, not by this petitioner. He has no access, Lordship,
Why
regarding
have you
Lordship.
annexed this?
Because Lordship, that Lordship exhibited before the court below, Lordship.
That is it. Why have you annexed? Why did you?
The
produce
only
this?
name, Lordship, age is the name verification,
not-
Lordship,
it is-
age
It is not
discrimination.
relevant.
Lordship, age discrimination may be there, Lordship, there is.
That is
Lordship.
exactly we're asking. What is the yardstick? 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, we can ignore. 4 years, ignore. Can we ignore 13 years?
No, Lordship.
You may have some explanation. Look into it.
Now, Lordship, on page.
Interesting. If Mr. Elton certified copy, it will really go নাম নাই। uncertified copy, ওটার কোনো নাম আছে মত করে না। এখন কাছে পেজ 59 লোকের 59 report. No. Okay, sir. Hmm.
85,
Hmm. Yeah.
77, 85. 8 বছর, 8 বছর হলো।
What about
8 বছর হলে 33 হতে লাগে, 35 হয়ে যায়।
it?
85 ছিল 35, তো 89 37, 97 কত হয়ে যায়? কোনটা থেকে জানো? এভিডেন্স পারে করে মোবাইলে লেখি। estimate モグダレーブ
What about the information?
Lordship, it did not appear before Garbetta Lordship. Yes, please. my friend,
File an affidavit.
We'll ask you in writing. File an
I'm not-
affidavit on behalf of the SP boarder.
the other part of the instruction says that if she had appeared, they would have told her that she has to appear before SP Bojali, not Borpeta, because after the bifurcation of the districts, this FT has come under SP Bojali. And this is clear now because they never appeared. Lordship, let them file that they appeared because it is their contention. I have got the instructions, Lordship.
Just a minute,
They have said they had appeared.
just a minute. We'll see to that.
Date has not been given, not very specific.
We'll just see.
Statement has been made in paragraph 4.
Okay.
No, they said that thereafter appears, but that if the date was there, it would have made it easier, Lordship.
Mr. Chaudhary will have your matter on the Monday list. वो है नंबर 2 है on Monday tribunal.
Monday.
Wednesday.
Good day. Good day.
Can it be Lordship on Thursday, Lordship? Already Monday.
Paucity of time did not allow the matter to be completed. Put up list for further consideration on
Thursday.
Thursday.
My lord, as per item number 2, my lord.
This also
Just, Miss, Verma, just get the information. When this, Bojali, Borpeta and has been bifurcated.
no, we may also, we're just exploring. Yeah.
Kind of.
Instead of going into those aspects, if ultimately he or she has to go to Bojali, we may not accept what he's saying, but to put things into complete
Place.
and place and bring it to a logical end. He or she can be directed to appear before Bojali. Matter ends there. Then you can go ahead with the matter.
It is.
Ultimately, the main case needs to be heard.
It is to be, and it is there. Yes,
Record is
Lordship,
available.
they, I'm sure they know that it's District Bojali now because they keep doing all these matters.
No. Thing is this, when they have made it, they made the prayer before the court
Yes, Lordship.
for extension of time initially. It was made for Borpeta.
Borpeta.
SP border. The
Again,
earlier
the
I said
extension.
SP border, Borpeta.
Borpeta, this also.
Yes, I also said SP border, Borpeta.
Exactly, Lordship.
So I want to know, in fact, you have to clarify before us, when the SP Borpeta, these matters have been shifted to SP Bojali.
When the district was bifurcated.
Yeah, otherwise also that is not the plea, Lordship. They're
That
like
is-
because of.
That is our
That will
information.
reflect when did the petitioner appear before whom. Woodward.
My lord, item 2 regarding.
Item number 2,
Yes, maybe on.
it will be left over, it will come out later.
Second half, there may be some problem on your part.
No, we don't.
No, Lordship.
No, madam said yes,
No, I
confident.
said no, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, Saturday is not.
Okay, we'll see.
This is not a school, no half. We'll make it a school today, of course.
Tip top.